Kind of hard one, hose. Make me laugh.
Open it up and go down more. There you go. Now go down. Extend the arm a bit. Extend it out. Yeah. Open it up all the way. Don't close it yet.
Cut the video. Oh, you get the point.
Who's that giant that picked up the container themselves?
Don't.
Oh gosh.
Make sure.
Oh gosh.
Alright, make sure when you put on the track it doesn't fall down.
This is low.
Alright, don't let it go yet. You almost let it go. Drop. Alright, let it down. I feel like it would have been better if you grabbed it the other way.
Oh god. Bring it in. Bring it in towards you.
Alright, now bend the arm back.
I'm trying to control 4 motors at once. Okay, Hunter? Oh gosh.
Lower down a bit more. Alright, now left. Just a tad.
Hey. Oh.
Alright, wait. Open the arm all the way. Open the arm all.
Oh. This is. It's all on you. Better not drop it. Oh gosh.
That's your fault. It's about to fall.
Stop. Oh, no.
Sunk into the ocean.
Oh, there goes.